Hi, I'm Ellie Cartwright. I'm an adventure documentary filmmaker, and in this series of videos, I'm going to be teaching you the basics on getting started with filmmaking. I'm going to be taking the OM-1 Mark II out with me on an adventure around Queensland, Australia, and I'd love you to join me. Perhaps you've started out with video a little bit already. You know some of the basic settings, but you want to know how to make your films more engaging. Well, the key is in shooting dynamic sequences and varying your shots. So we're going to talk through in this video how to film a scene in a series of sequences. Don't worry about the settings for now, we'll get to that in later videos, but let's just get creating. Before you head out to film, write down a list of scenes that you're going to capture, and beneath each scene, write down a list of shots that you'd like to get. So we are about to head off on this adventure. There may be a packing scene, there may be a driving scene, an arrival scene. You'll notice in all of these scenes that we film that we're not just going to play out one long shot on a wide, we're going to vary our shots. The top tip from me here is that either yourself or the person you're filming runs all of the actions through first on a wide. You then come in and you get your creative shots. The tip in the edit is to cut from one action to the next. So if someone is picking something up and you capture that first of all on a wide, you cut to your close-up shot at the same moment that you left your wide shot. You'll notice in this series of scenes of us heading out on this adventure, the variety of shots that we use in order to keep the audience captivated. We will mix from a wide shot, an establishing shot showing where we are, perhaps to a point of view shot. Then perhaps we'll go to a close-up character shot or a close-up detail shot. And we'll keep using these different tools in order to draw the audience in. I have a little task for you. It's a very basic level. I just want you to shoot a sequence using 4 shots. The establishing wide shot, which is crucial for showing where we are. A character mid-shot to introduce your character. A close-up detail shot, which draws the audience in, and perhaps a point of view shot. 2 of my favourite combinations are the POV and what I like to call the selfie shot if you're self-shooting. It puts the audience in the mindset of your character, as if watching through their eyes. Head out on your own adventure and have a go at capturing those shots and filming your own dynamic scenes. It will make the world of difference to your video creations.